So did you have any special skills at that time?
I was a number 2 on the mortars, which is why I went at the age that I did, because they didn't have enough mortar crew not to send me, and because of the priority of where it was and what they were doing, I had to go, because normally people of my age would have gone to Hong Kong as a training period while the squadron was operational in Dhofar.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a bit of an eye-opener to young gunner, first time away anywhere. So, and then you're acclimatised over that first day, and then it was straight out to the hedgehogs to start practising your shooting and